In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Canva. If you've ever wanted a photo to sit softly behind your text, create a subtle watermark, or blend a graphic into your layout, adjusting transparency is the quickest way to do it. Start by opening your Canva project so you're inside the design you want to edit. Make sure you can see the canvas and the elements you're working with. Now, click the image you want to adjust. Selecting the image is important because Canva shows a contextual toolbar at the top only when an element is active. If you don't see the right options, click directly on the image again to confirm it's selected. Along the top menu, look for the transparency control. It's represented by a gray and white checkered icon, which is a universal symbol for transparency. Click that icon to open the slider. You'll see a simple horizontal bar with a handle you can drag. To make the image more transparent, click and drag the slider to the left. As you move it, you'll see the change happen right away on your canvas. At 100%, your image is fully opaque. As you slide left, the image fades and the elements behind it start to show through. Around 50% gives you a soft overlay, and dragging all the way to 0% makes the image completely invisible. If you go too far, just slide it back to the right until it looks right in your layout. Take a moment to fine-tune. Watch how your text reads on top of the image, make sure important details aren't getting lost, and aim for a balance that supports your design without overpowering it. You can always use undo if you want to revert, and you can adjust the slider again anytime later. A quick tip: this transparency setting applies to the entire selected image. It doesn't remove the background or cut anything out. It simply controls how see-through the image is. If you notice more than one object fading at once, you probably selected a grouped set. Click directly on the specific image to target it. This simple transparency adjustment is perfect for creating background photos under headlines, softening logos, blending illustrations, and building layered looks that feel professional and intentional. Trust your eye, make small adjustments, and check your design from a normal viewing distance to confirm readability. And that's it. Click your image, open the transparency control with the checkered icon, and drag the slider left until it looks just the way you want. Simple, fast, and effective.